Letter writing. Letters are of two types: informal letters and formal letters. Informal letters are letters to parents, relatives, friends, etc. Whereas formal letters include letters to business firms, letters to the editor of a newspaper, applications, invitations, letters to government officials, and so on. Both formal and informal letters are written in particular format. Let us see them one by one. The format of a formal letter. Formal letters are written in 8 steps. The letter begins with the sender's address. The sender's address includes the name and address of the person who is writing the letter. For example, 10 by 44 Russell Street, New Delhi. Here, we must keep in mind that the sender's address must not exceed 3 lines. After the sender address, we mention the date in the letter. The date can be written in different formats. For example, February 1, 2021 or 1st February 2021 or 1 February 2021. Now is the time to write the address of the person or firm who is going to receive the letter. This includes the name of a person or the designation to which the letter is written with his office or firm address. As if we wish to write to the postal department, we address as the Postmaster, General Post Office, Kashmiri Gate, Delhi 110006. After the receiver's address, the next step is to write salutation. A salutation is a greeting used in a letter. The most common form of salutation in an English letter is Dear followed by the recipient's given name or title. This can be written as Dear Sir, Dear Madam, etc. The next step is subject. It is the line specifying the topic of the letter, and if included, it comes between the salutation and the body of the letter as per the new format of letter writing. To write a subject, we write subject followed by a colon, then sum up the purpose of writing the letter in one line. This helps the receiver focus on the subject of the letter in one glance. The next is body or content of a letter. The body of the letter is the main and largest part of a letter. It is of one or more paragraphs. The first paragraph of the body of a letter should include the reason or purpose for which letter is written, and in the next paragraph all the rest details and informations. After the body of the letter comes the complimentary clause. Complimentary clause or subscription refers to the humble ending of the letter. The most used complimentary clause are yours sincerely, yours faithfully, yours truly, and so on. Now here, we should keep in mind that we cannot write yours with apostrophe. Yours must be written without the sign of apostrophe. And the end of the letter is the signature and the name of the sender. Now to understand it better, let us see an example of a letter. Write a letter to the station house officer reporting the theft of your cycle. To write this letter, we'll begin with the sender's address as 14 Deep Lok, Church Road, Ranchi. After the sender's address, we leave one line and then we mention the date, 14th October 2020. Afterwards, again we leave one line and then we write the receiver's address. Here, we have to write to the station house officer, so we address as the station house officer, Saidwara, Ranchi. Now comes the salutation. As already said, we mostly use Dear Sir or Madam. Here we refer as Dear Sir. and then the main part of the letter, that is the body or content of letter. Here we have to report for the theft of the cycle. So we begin with that. At about 11 o'clock this morning, I went to supermarket at Church Road. I parked my cycle just near the entrance. When I came out after 20 minutes, I was shocked to find my cycle missing. I made inquiries from the shopkeepers around and looked for my cycle everywhere in the neighborhood, but it was untraceable. Now the next paragraph. It is a new Hero cycle bearing the number B143893. Among accessories, it has a bell, a lamp and a gear wheel case. It is of dark blue color. So here you noticed that the second paragraph includes rest of the details of the cycle which is missing. The next is, to sum up the letter, I shall be very grateful to you if you help in tracing the cycle and restoring it to me. Then comes the complimentary clause. So here we used yours faithfully and then the signature of the sender, Divyansh.